Okay, so the way that Odoo works is it's actually an integrated suite of business apps. So all these different applications all talk to one another. What we're going to do today is focus on the manufacturing application, specifically around traceability. To understand how that's going to work, let's first visit the inventory app. Let's go to Master Data Products, and you'll see all your products here. We have the finished product, which is composed of what we can determine on the bill of materials as, here's the bomb, the bolt, and the screw. And you can easily go in and edit these products. We can add a SKU number, for instance, to this product, and it'll update it there. So next step is to go to the bill of material, and we did that. So now you want to actually manufacture it. Before we manufacture it, let's make sure we have enough in stock here. We have 9 of each on hand. So we'll go to the manufacturing app, operations, manufacture order, and we'll create a new manufacturing order. Let's put the product that we want to manufacture. It automatically pulls the bill of material, save it. It'll add those, automatically pull all the components from the BOM and put them here to be consumed. At this point, we can check availability. It'll mark them both as gray, meaning we have reserved them in our stock. And I'm just going to leave developer tools quickly. Once they've been reserved, it's going to tell us we can produce this. So just for a second, if I go to Master Data Products, for instance, remember I had 9 on hand. Now it tells me I have, for the bolt and the screw, a forecasted quantity of 8, but 9 on hand, meaning I have 8 available to sell, but 9 total on hand. Now back to the manufacturing order. Once I produce these, it's going to tell me create a serial number for your new product, which I just did, and confirm that these are the 2 products and lot numbers which you want to pull from in order to consume these and produce that. Record production, mark this as done, voila, that's been completed. I can see all the inventory moves associated with this. I can see I moved this bolt from stock to production, this screw from stock to production, can see the lot number associated with that move, and I can see the serial number associated with the move of the finished product from production to stock by going like that. Now, the next step will be to go to Master Data, Reporting, Traceability Lots. Say I want to look at serial number, remember we produced 03 for this. There it is. Go to Up-Down Traceability. I can see here the product, I can see the serial number, I can see the date and time in which we moved it into the warehouse. And if I want to see more information, or not the warehouse, but the stock, and if I want to see more information, I drill down. I see we produced it in manufacturing order number 2. We produced it at this time, 1 unit. Deeper, these are the 2 raw materials I consumed in that production. Here are their lot and serial numbers. Here is the date and time in which those were consumed. And where did I get that screw from? It was done via, the quantities came into stock via an inventory adjustment. Stock number quantity is 10, and I moved it into stock at this time, exactly. Same concept applies with the bolt. Deeper is, the bolt, who did we buy the bolt from that we used in this order? To do that, you drill into the inventory receipt. On the inventory receipt, it tells you here the purchase order, which this was brought in via. It shows you, when we brought this into stock, all those details. But if I drill into the PO, it allows me to see I bought this from vendor X it was done 33 minutes ago. The order date is right there. And like that, I can access the vendor bill, and I can see that we paid this vendor, on 3/28, 26 minutes ago. Mitch Bossy was the user that paid that. All there. And I can see, I can go back to any point in that workflow I just took. For instance, all the way back to the traceability page, or all the way back to original lot serial numbers. So, in short, that is how we are able to see traceability in Odoo's manufacturing solution as it pertains to version 11. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out via the email address in the description of this document. Thanks.